Hello students. Now see, I am going to explain our subject English question paper pattern. Written paper is there for 80 marks. Question 1A, section 1, language study. It is going to ask you for 10 marks. First A, question 1A, do as directed for 8 marks. Question 1B, attempt anyone for 2 marks. Then section 2, textual passages, 20 marks for it is going to ask you in question paper. Question 2A, scene passage 1 for 10 marks. Question 2B, scene passage 2 for 10 marks. So it is about section 2, textual passage. Now come on section 3, poetry. It is going to ask you for 10 marks. Question 3A, scene poem 1 for 5 marks. It is going to ask you for question answers. And question 3B, scene poem 2 for 5 marks, appreciation. It is going to ask you to write appreciation of this poem. In this, 5 points will be there and 5 marks will be there. Section 4, non-textual passage. It means unseen passage. It is going to ask you for 15 marks. Question 4A, unseen passage 1 for 10 marks. And question 4B, summary writing of the same passage by your own mind. You have to summarize the passage and it is going to ask you for 5 marks. Got it? After that, section 5, writing skill. Writing skill is going to ask you for 20 marks. Question 5A, letter writing. There will be 2 letters, one formal and second informal. Between them you have to write only one letter. It is going to ask you for 5 marks. Question 5B, 1 dialogue writing. And question 5B, or for that speech writing. Between dialogue or speech you have to write any one only. It is going to ask you for 5 marks. Question 6A, information transfer. In it that you have been asked verbal to non-verbal or non-verbal to verbal. Between them you have to write only one question. Question 6B, expand the theme. In that, proverb will be asked you for the expansion or narrating. It is called story also, or news report. Among them you have to write only one and it is going to ask you for 5 marks. And last one is there, section 6, skill development, means translation question. Question 7, A for words, B for sentence and C for proverb. You have to write it into your mother tongue, or the question have been asked you, translate the following words, sentence or proverb into your mode of communication. It means that into your mother tongue, Marathi. Got it? This is your question paper format of 80 marks. Okay? So let us see again properly and write down in your notebook it. Properly write down since beginning till end. Question 1 to till question 7. Got it? Okay. Okay. Write down. Goodbye.